Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 MG ZS Excite wagon, stock reference number 4431. This shape runs from the 9th month 2017, as is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front as well as the right-hand side. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has a slight fold on the front edge. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.